Hello friends, this is Abhishek. Welcome back to the Infologs video tutorial channel. So in our last video tutorial we have seen how we can create a free tier account, and we have also talked about the limitations of free 12 months free services and how we can check that. Okay, that is aws.amazon.com/free, where you can see all the limitations of your 12 months free services, okay, or what are the limits for the monthly usage. So now next we are also let's say if there is a case where I'm trying to learn the different services of AWS, okay, and I have started services and I forgot that services to shut down or to close that. Okay, so Amazon, and if I exceeded that freeware services of that monthly usage, okay, so what should be there? Okay, so Amazon will start the billing for that usage, whatever they exceeded in that account. Okay, so we have to keep the maximum threshold, how much money you wanted to spend on particular services or on this whole AWS account. Okay, let's say while learning this AWS whole services, I want to spend not more than 1000 rupees, okay, or I can also say that not more than 100 rupees. Okay, but for the learning perspective, I would suggest you should go for the 1000 rupees for the budget. Okay, in case we are not going to spend any money for that, but in case if we wanted to use the service which is not a free tier, in that case we have to pay few rupees, right? So how we can set up our budget for monthly basis, so we can get to know that we are using our the services, or we are exceeded from the usage of a free tier account. Okay, so let's set up our budget so we can get to know about that. So here I have already logged into our AWS management console. So here you can go ahead and search for AWS budget. This is the nice finding a service in the chunk of AWS services. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So here budget, so you currently have a no budget, so AWS lets you quickly create a custom budget that will automatically alerts you when your AWS costs or usage exceeded or are forecasted to exceed. Okay, so let's say create a budget. So my cost budget is, there are different kind of budgets available, so we are going to set up a cost budget. Set your budget. So I'll set up it learn AWS. So this will be the monthly budget. So recurring budget, that will be for every month, so I'll keep it as it is. So it will start from month of August. There will be a fixed budget, so you have to specify that budget in, say, dollar. So let's say what will be the 1000 divided by 75, so it will be $13. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the $10. Then advanced options, unblended cost, okay, so upfront charges and all this. Okay, that's looks good. And create and configure an alert. So ARN budget will be $10. Alert, that will be on actual cost, not on the forecasted cost. So let's say as soon as we reach to the threshold of 80%, so I wanted a email, so you can just specify your email ID over here. Add email contact. So now that is added. Notify via Amazon, no, we are not going to use built-in services, we are just using this. And yeah, confirm budget. So here you can review your budgets. So our budget is monthly from 1st August 2020, that is monthly $10 budget. Okay, so let's say I don't want to go for monthly budgets, so I'll just go back, and here I will set up a quarterly budget. Okay, so my quarterly budget now 3 months budget, right? Now 3 months budget will be a $10. Now that looks good. Anyhow, we are not going to use any paid services in this whole video series. If I think there is a extreme need for that, then I'll create a separate video on that, and will inform you guys before doing the hands on that service. Okay, so let's go for confirm. Now it's saying from July 1st to July, April, May, June, July, August till September. Okay, till the end of September I have a $10 budget. Okay, and then it's created. So now we are secure. We are not going to exceed this $10 because as soon as we spend amount, we will get the email from the Amazon as soon as we reaches to the $8. Okay, because we have specified the 80% of usage. So here you can see the budget reports. Okay, so here we can also see the different bills. So let's say in these last 3 months, if we are using the paid services or exceeding the usage limit of the particular month, then here you'll see the what kind of charges the Amazon is Amazon is infusing on your services. Let's say I'm overloaded with the 5 GB of free tier service for Amazon S3, then here you will see the Amazon S3 from July to September. There will be a $2 like this. Okay, so if we see that kind of stuff, I'll also show you my the billing stage if we incur with few charges for this account. Okay, and here you can also change your payment methods if you want to. So let's say I wanted to go for the other cards, so I'll just go ahead and use the other cards over here, right? So yeah, I hope you have understood how we can set up a budget for the AWS accounts. And if you are going for the let's say if you want to host your own applications and you don't want to stop that applications in any way, so you can set up your budgets, the real whatever the budget of yours, right? Okay, in our next video we'll see about the AWS fundamentals maybe, because now we have covered a few important things like what is the cloud computing, what are the providers in cloud computing. Then we have a basic introduction of that, and then we did how we can create a free tier account with the AWS. We are also seeing the basic charges and what are the limits of monthly usage in 12 months free services and always free services. And in the next video, in the latest video, we have seen the how we can set up a budget with AWS account. Okay, in our next video we are going to talk about the AWS fundamentals. Okay, so till then, do subscription of this YouTube channel so you'll get a notification of latest video tutorials. And this is Abhishek signing out. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.